Myself, Dr. Sandeep Singh Sarpal. I'm a practicing physician at Dr. Kala Clinic, Kharar. And today, the topic of my talk is diet and gastric ulcers. Gastric ulcers are the open sores or wounds that appear along the walls of the stomach and the upper part of the small intestines. So, there are two common causes of gastric ulcer. They can happen because of the bacteria in your stomach or the use of certain medicines like aspirin or the painkillers for a long time. Other reasons that can worsen the ulcers are eating a lot of spicy food, stress, alcohol. If you are in a habit of smoking, that can increase your chances of getting the ulcers and also may have the effect on the treatment you get and it becomes less effective. Now, some signs of stomach ulcers they include stomach pain, indigestion, heartburn, and the feeling or sensation that you might vomit. Loss of appetite or a sudden weight loss are the certain other signs for the stomach ulcers. Now, when it comes to the food, there's always a query: what should one eat? It should be a fiber-rich diet, which is beneficial for reducing the risk of ulcers. So, what are the foods that we can include? These includes oats, leafy vegetables, and whole grains like barley. Now, fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, oranges, they will also help if you're looking to increase your fiber intake. Now, vitamin A is a nutrient which helps to protect against the stomach ulcers. You can get vitamin A from the carrots, the broccoli, sweet potatoes, spinach. Now, curd or yogurt and other similar foods that require fermentation can be good for your stomach and digestive health, as is the old ancient Indian saying. Now, berries like cranberries, blueberries, red grapes, they contain certain substances that can provide good protection against the bacteria that can cause ulcers in your stomach. Now, green and black tea also contain these substances. So, the first and foremost item to avoid if you have a stomach ulcer is alcohol. Now, alcohol, it has become socially acceptable over the years, but it can damage the walls of your stomach and increase the chances of getting the bleeding ulcers too. Coffee, soda, and other carbonated drinks, they can increase the formation of acid in your stomach, leading to a lot of irritation. Some patients, they might also need to avoid food items like tomato and citrus fruits like lemon and orange. So it depends upon patient to patient. Some may not be able to tolerate it. So you should check it if you feel any irritation in the stomach after having these foods, then you should decide accordingly whether you should take or not take. If they cause any issues, you should continue having them only when they have effect on you. Citrus fruits, which are rich in vitamin C, that are very protective against the bacteria that can cause stomach ulcers. Try to avoid having a spicy food, fried food items, as these can worsen the irritation and also the symptoms that you have. Chilies, chilies and other spicy items, they can contain a substance that directly affects the ulcers and causes irritation. So, to conclude, if you're suffering from stomach ulcers, you should include fiber in your diet, vegetables, you should have fruits in your diet. The foremost thing is to avoid alcohol and the spicy and fried food as they can worsen the symptoms of the stomach ulcer. Thank you.